At Computex 2024, Zotac introduced the Zone, their handheld gaming device. And here at Computex 2025, they're showing off a new prototype of a sequel to the Zotac Zone. So in this video, I want to check out this new prototype and give a little status report on the Zotac Zone in general. So last year when I saw the Zotac Zone, I was intrigued. There were some curious things about the hardware. It had a very nice screen. The internals were solid, and I was excited to get my hands on one. Unfortunately, I never did. They say that they actually did launch in the US, but I never saw one. I never knew anyone who bought one. I'm sure they did. I don't think they're lying to me, but I never got my hands on it, unfortunately. So this is the second time I am seeing the Zotac Zone in person. And this time they have a prototype. And I guess I was confused at first. I was like, well, why show off a prototype and not a version 2? Because really, most of this is just a refresh. The hardware is essentially the same. The internals have been upgraded to a Ryzen Strix Point processor, which is nice. They've upgraded the included DRAM, the included SSD, all that kind of stuff. But really the reason why this is a prototype is because Zotac has switched from using Windows licenses, which was on the original Zotac Zone, to Linux. But hey, SteamOS just came out. Does that mean that the Zotac Zone is running SteamOS? No, it does not. Zotac decided to take matters in their own hands and actually work with the folks who create Manjaro Linux to make a custom OS that's essentially just like the SteamOS. Really, you're logging in when you boot up the device into Linux desktop, and then it automatically switches to gaming mode. So essentially, you should be just thinking of this as like a SteamOS, just not made by Valve or anything like that. So that's why this is marked as a prototype, because actually in this early build, we couldn't adjust the screen brightness, anything like that. And Zotac won't tell me like when this is coming out. I asked, is it coming out by the end of the year? They were like, yeah, we'll see. I asked what it's going to cost. They were like, yeah, we'll see. So I don't know. It's just a prototype that they're showing off here at Computex. But I will say the device still seems solid. The screen still feels really nice. They're switching over to a Linux-based OS that feels pretty snappy and almost pretty close to SteamOS itself. So I'm curious. I'm intrigued. I'm hoping I can get one of these in when they come out to test, but what do you think? Are you excited about the Zotac Zone? I know when we did the video last year, people were very excited about the dual trackpads and interesting features like that. So yeah, that's just a quick check-in with the Zotac Zone, and I hope they keep going, because the more players in the portable space, the better. And Zotac is known for mini PCs and mini computing power, so keep going, Zotac, keep going.